Today's episode was brought to you by the Smurfs. Only the best. Hey, who are you? What are you doing? Ugh!
Psych, motherfuckers! This is not a ReDub today. Today I'm gonna be doing the entire scene over again. But I'm gonna make it my own. Because quite frankly, I'm a lazy fuck. And scene for this episode was made with about 3 shots. One cigarette that wasn't lit. And I think he put like 2 Cheerios on his cheek. I believe that I could do this. Enjoy! Hi, Coolman195 here, and I'm here to give to you the best of cigarettes can offer. Which isn't much, but still, it's the best we can offer. Now, I know the news has been giving them a bad rap with they will kill you and they give you lung cancer, or they eat away your brain. Well, zip blah, blah, blah. I will prove to you that these cigarettes are the best you can ever buy, or somehow. Saying our government is almost completely banned them. Whatever. We will give you your cigarettes if you feel the need. That need for flavor. And we at Flavor Country can deliver. Now, you might be asking yourself, where are the cigarettes? Why am I not smoking one? Well, they're too cheap to send me some. So they've given me imaginary cigarettes. Because I look cool doing this. Yes. Flavor. Now, what are our cigarettes better than the regular cigarettes for? Let me tell you. You know those Winston cigarettes promoted by the Flintstones? The Flintstones got nothing on me. We are here to tell you that our cigarettes have actually been made 1% less deadly. Yes, that is true. 1% less. Not 0.1, not 0.000000001. Full on 1% less likely to kill you. Even right now, I feel my 1% of life living happily. You know what Oh my god, this is a shocking result. Now, thankfully I live poorly and doing dishes with chumps. But let me show you the excruciating results of our studies. See this blood? This blood is a lot, I agree. But this is 1% less blood you find than if you were smoking other cigarettes. Let me tell you, this 1% could prove the difference between accidentally getting punched in the stomach or showing your friend you're a chain smoker. So, when you're lighting up with a Winston cigarette, or Premier cigarette, because Winston's are with girls, let me tell you, you're gonna be faking this every time you light one up. Dead to die for.
Okay, I'll read it. The guys at BadcallTV say subscribe to him or they'll cannibalize my cat. Then you can put the corn down, right? You're not gonna shove it in there? Oh no! It's going in! Ah! Oh god!